Welcome again, guys, and welcome to the Automat course. So in this video, we will solve the Automat question number 2. This is a deterministic finite automata. We have three states. This question, Q1, Q2, and Q3, and these are the transitions between the states. The first question is telling us what is the initial state. It's very simple. If you have watched my previous video, you know that the first arrow would indicate the initial state, the big arrow, and maybe double arrows in other courses and other questions. So it indicates that Q1 is the initial state. Okay, question number 2, part number 2 is what is the final state? Also, I have lectured before that the doubled circled state refers to us as a final state. So Q2 represents here the final state of the automat. Okay. Question number 3. Or part 3, what is the sequence of transitions forward AABB? Okay, so we need to concentrate here for a very important question. We have AABB, so these are the transitions, the inputs of AABB. What will lead us this input, where this input will lead us? So we have here the initial state at Q1. So now we are on Q1. Okay, imagine that we are standing on Q1 because it is the initial state. And we are going to press A. So A will take us to Q2. Okay? As we have solved before, and as the automat indicates that Q1 with A takes us to Q2. Okay? We are here and pressing A, leading us to go to Q2. And the Q2 with A, again we press A, it took us to Q3. So this is Q3. Okay? Q3 with B, it gives us to Q1. And finally, Q1 with B, it gives us its own itself. So Q1 with B remains with B. So this arrow indicates in itself. So Q1 with B, it refers to Q1. Therefore, the final states, the final solution of AABB, it leads us first from Q1, Q2, Q3, Q1, and Q1. Therefore, the final state of this AABB would be Q1. Okay? It's simple. I hope you understand it. And I'm writing them here. Initial state Q1 with A, Q2 with A, Q3 with B, Q1, and finally with B equal to Q1. This is what we have solved. Okay? This is the question. And this is the answer. Okay? Let me box the answer. Okay. Part number 4. Like automata and coding theory, it's very important subject and material for the computer science and computer engineering, because you took the coding theory, how things works, how the machines works, how to make the algorithm, and how to make things capable of integrated with each other, and how the inputs affects the way of behavior of the machine, or the coding, or whatever you are making. So it's very important material. Now, in the question number 4, we are having here the final state of the AABB is Q1. You remember from the previous part that we have AABB ends in Q1, and it is not the final state. The final state is Q2. Remember, guys? So the Q2 is the final state. We cannot put it and cannot be accepted by AFD. The word AABB. It would be AABB or AAB. No, the final state, AABB. The final state, it is not, the word AABB is not accepted by AFD or DFA, because, as I told you, it leads us, these inputs leads us to Q1, which is the state, the first state, and it is not the final state as we have seen before. Okay? It's simple. This question is simple. Okay? So if you want us to make more and more videos and be productive, more and more courses, tutorials, and lessons, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and rate us 5 stars on Udemy for our courses, Android courses. And I hope you share our channel and the videos with your friend to help many people learning coding and everything. So guys, we are making a full program, a full schedule for all subjects that a computer engineer or a computer science will have in the real universities. So these questions are from our university in Paris. So I hope you benefit from these questions and benefit from our lectures. Waiting the comments below for the way of thinking and the way of lecturing. Thank you, guys. Lecturing.